Welcome to my channel. How to fix Brother DCP-T220 paper jam red light error. First, turn off the printer, switch off the printer and unplug it from the power source. Second, open the front cover, gently open the scanner and front cover to check inside for any jammed paper. Third, remove jammed paper carefully, slowly and carefully pull out any stuck paper. Do not tear it, remove all fragments. Fourth, check rear side, open the back cover and inspect the rear side rollers. Remove any jammed sheets here too. Fifth, remove paper tray, pull out the paper tray and check for crumpled or misaligned paper. Sixth, reload the paper, take out the paper stack, fan it properly, and reinsert it neatly into the tray. Do not overfill. Seventh, check paper size type. Use only supported paper sizes and types. Avoid damp, wrinkled, or curled sheets. Eighth, close all covers securely, ensure the scanner cover, front cover, and back panel are all closed properly. Ninth, plug in and restart printer, reconnect the power cable and turn the printer back on. Wait for it to initialize. 10th, test print a page, try printing a test page to ensure the error is cleared. Thank you for watching.